Some time ago I posted a video on a small introduction of editing Openstreetmap, and some days ago I got a reaction from someone asking me what can I do if Openstreetmap says a river is two rivers, can I combine it? So I asked him, where is this river you're talking about, and he gave me the coordinates. So if you like to see more content like this about explanation about Openstreetmap or things that are related, please let me know and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any other questions about Openstreetmap like this question I had now, please comment and I will try to help you and make a video. I have to be here. So here you see the two parts of the river. You can use shift to select both of them, and you will see, if you look, there's disconnect, there's move, but there's no way to put them together. So what we have to do first is set all the tags the same. So intermittent, no. Name, we take the name of the biggest part of the river, so that is, I don't know how to say it, Lagar Flyot. Russian name, there's only one there, so I guess that's good, but I will, no, the tags are the same. The name is automatically also the same because that's one of the tags. So if we click the right button, we can check. Here's the merge, and you can see it's still not available. So there is something else wrong. So what it is that this one has a relation and this one doesn't have this relation. So we have to remove or fix this relation. We are going to remove it in this one. So let's see, we select both, we look, and you can see there are new options. So we click the merge and it's done. This river is one river now. Okay. So as I said, I don't know this river. I don't know if it's supposed to be one river. So I'm going to save, but then I can say, okay, I would want someone to review my edits. Connected to parts of river. That's okay, it's possible. So YouTube is my source. Okay. So that's that. So always, if you're not sure about an edit, ask someone else to have a look at it, so you don't make changes they have to fix afterwards. Also, so this guy gave me the coordinates of this river because I don't know this river at all. So if you have coordinates for something and you want to search for it in Openstreetmap, you can just put it in the search bar. Oh yes, okay. It was zoomed in that much that you just saw the blue, but that's the river. Thank you for watching. That was what I had to show you for today.